everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are all well. Today I'm going to make a flexitarian meal for my husband. This is samurai steak. When you buy a pack of steak, usually there is 2 pieces of steak. So I'm going to take apart because I don't want him to eat twice. I use beef fillet. This has less fat than other cuts of beef. And I'm going to use miso dressing to top off the meat. This is going to be healthy version of steak. It is less fat but delicious. Believe me, this is perfect steak. Alright, let's start to make samurai steak. For the flexitarian meal, I'm going to make steak. This is for my husband, but I don't want him to eat twice, so I'm going to have a half. This is also helping him not to eat too often beef. Alright, this is a fillet, but you can use a sirloin steak or whatever you like. When I make it, I tend to use a fillet steak, then it has less fat in it. That's my favorite beef. I'm not going to marinate with any dressing. When I used to cook steak, I used to cook 2-3 minutes each side and then let it relax, then all the blood comes out. And then after that I make some dressing like balsamic dressing, and then it goes into the beef. That will make really nice, like not too much fat in it. So in that way you can enjoy beef but not too fat. So that's how I used to make it. But today I make it like that, but also making some miso dressing. I'm going to show you how to make it. You can use this light miso. This tends to be slightly sweet and not that salty. You can also have this miso paste. It's a bit longer fermented. So this is a doenjang Korean miso. This is quite salty as well. Both are a bit saltier than the light miso. So either you can use doenjang or longer fermented miso, whatever you have, and you can use it. But this longer fermented has a bit different flavor, so if you prefer that one, you can use that. So let's just start it. This is 2 tablespoons miso. But if you use that fermented one, you better use less because it's a bit saltier. And 2 little pieces of pineapple and garlic. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Okay. Yummy. So you can use OMG dressing, like orange miso ginger dressing. That's also very good too. So today I'm going to eat this with a mashed potato, making now mashed potato, and when it's almost done I will cook this beef. This is slightly sweet because of pineapple and slightly tangy. So this will also break down the fat in the meat. So, you know, try to break down fat as much as you can when you eat meat. That will also help digest, and you know, you don't need to take lots of animal fat. And you can use some red wine. This is a sherry. I will taste a little bit of this sherry wine. Very nice. And of course a little bit of some salad. So this is salad dressing I made earlier. You know, grated garlic, a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some sesame seed. And then this is a parsley, and I will add watercress. Okay, that's it. Let's cook the potato. So kitchen is busy at the moment. While potato is cooking, I will also put this in the oven. This is a whole piece of portobello mushroom. I quickly braised it with balsamic vinegar and liquid aminos and some sage and some garlic in it. Yeah, and I will add some pepper. This is going to be cooked for 10 to 20 minutes. This meat is organic beef fillet steak. This is grass-fed cow's meat. I'm looking forward to it. So now I will quickly place this bok choy and then I will fry it. So cook it in the same pan. You can save some time to wash another pan. The time is nearly there. They are nearly cooked. So I will marinate this beef with the salt and pepper. Yeah? And I will cook with liquid aminos. I just turn it over. Looking good. So it's time to cook meat. And this is a sage, so I will make a sage oil first. You can use rosemary if you prefer. Now this is a slightly sizzling, so I will add the beef. And seasoning this side. Okay, I will turn it over. I will cover it again because oil goes everywhere. I don't like it when oil goes everywhere. Oh, sorry, it wasn't filmed. So I add the garlic, 2 cloves garlic and the sherry, and add some sage. But you can add rosemary or thyme, whatever you prefer, and then add some balsamic vinegar. And this I'm going to put in the oven. Meat is relaxed, so put this dressing on it. And this go into the oven. Steak is done. Can you hear this sizzling? And I will add this dressing on top of this beef. Voila, it's done. So, bon appetit.
Thank you. This looks lovely.
Yeah, hope so. This is miso dressing I made.
All right.
What do you think?
Full of flavour.
Slightly pink.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, lovely. That's really nice. That dressing's also nice on the mushroom.
Both has a balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, really lovely. Goes with that mushroom.
Mm.
Very well.
What do you think the miso dressing?
I like it. It's unusual.
The sweet miso. This inside has a pink color, but it is not blood coming out because I let it settled for a while. In this moment, this all the blood will come out, so you don't get this blood inside of the steak. That's the tip. Yours is not bloody either, huh?
No.
Yeah. Still pink inside, no blood coming out. That's my secret.
The dressing on the watercress was nice.
Yeah. So are you going to give me a thumbs up again? Do you think it's a thumbs up or thumbs up? Oh, your hands are cold. Thumbs up. Flexitarians, even make a steak, you have to make a healthy version of steak. Alright? Thanks for watching and be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye.
That's perfectly cooked. Nice and pink in the centre.
Yeah.
More done around the outsides.
Yeah.
That's perfectly cooked.
Great.
Yeah, like a Michelin star, yeah. Fortunately, not like a Michelin tyre.
If you eat this all the time, you might have a Michelin tire
Indeed.
around your belly. But once a year is fine.
Well done.
Thank you.